What's your favorite piece? Oh, the queen. Why you like the queen?
The more powerful.
The most powerful. How long you been playing chess?
1 year.
1 year? Wow. Okay. Let's see how you go. Good job. Oh, here she goes now. She looks determined and ready to go. Oh. Oh, she bring her queen out early. Oh, you got the pawn. Good move. You want to use other pieces. Bring out your pawns, your king's pawns. There you go. Yeah, one is good because you're threatening that rook, right? What do you say? Check.
Check.
That's right. Check. Your king's in check, so you got to get out of check. You got to move your king. You can't. There you go. There you go. That's not bad. Have you heard of Hungry Hungry Hippo? That's a Hungry Hungry Rooko. 1 square, 2 square. There you go. Oh my. Paying attention. Start developing your pieces. There you go. Oh! See what happens when you take your time?
Yeah. He moves here.
But he's not in. Oh wait.
Capture him.
Not in. It's not a checkmate.
Yeah, but look.
Yeah, but just because he can't run. See the rook's there. Can't go there. He can block. The bishop is checking the king, right? But you can block. He can block. The never-ending story. La da 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 da. Where's your brother?
A lot of you guys struggled with closing your game, okay? That's how you finish your game, and it's really important that you know how to close the game because that's how you don't waste time chasing an opponent around. I saw a lot of this today. Check this out. I saw a lot of players do this. What do we say? Check. Then they run away. What do we say?
Jack.
And then they run away. And then what do we say? And then they run away. And what do we say? And they run away. I saw a lot of that going on. What's one way a game can end? A tie. Okay, yeah, there are ties, but what's like the main one that you're always trying to get every single game? A checkmate. That's when the king is in danger and cannot escape, right? Checkmate. The other one we talked about is a tie. There's 2 different types of ties. Do you guys know what they're called? What is one type of tie?
Oh, one type of tie is a stalemate.
A stalemate. Now, boys and girls, let me show you guys what a stalemate is. It's when the king is trapped and cannot escape, but we're missing one crucial thing right here. Let's start it like this, okay? We're doing a closing with the queen, right? The king has to move here. The queen closes up. The king has to run. We close in again, and now it's Chocolate's turn. But guess what? Can the king go here?
No.
What about over here?
No.
What about here?
No.
Can he jump off the board? Wah!
No.
No. But is Chocolate in check?
No.
No. Can the queen move like a knight? No. Chocolate has no legal move to make. There's no move he's allowed to make, but he's not in checkmate, so that is a stalemate. And there's one more. It's not a stalemate, it is a tie. This is called lack of material. Can you guys say lack of material?
Lack of material.
In chess, you have all these soldiers. This is your material. This is what you have in your team to win the game. If you don't have enough material to win the game, that is a lack of material. A tie, it's not a stalemate. A stalemate is when you have no legal move to make. Lack of material is when there's not enough pieces to win the game. This is also a lack of material. The bishop, even though Vanilla has one other piece, the bishop is not strong enough to win the game. Same with his brother from another mother, the knight. He is also too weak to win the game, okay? This is also a lack of material. These guys are known as fighting pieces. Do you guys remember that? Can you guys say fighting pieces?
Fighting pieces.
They're good at fighting, but they're not good at getting checkmates. Our checkmating pieces are our queens and our rooks. Do you guys know why they're checkmating pieces? What's something that they do similarly?
They always get a king into a checkmate.
Well, we don't always get checkmates with these pieces. They're really good at getting checkmates, but why are they really good at getting checkmates? What's something that they both do in common?
Go up and side, but when one goes diagonal.
Yeah, the queen has the extra diagonal, but they both move up, down, side to side, okay? That makes them checkmating pieces or major pieces. Can you guys say major pieces? As long as one team has a major piece on the board, they can win the game. What if Chocolate was the best player in the world? Can they win? They cannot, because they don't have a major piece on the board. You need a major piece, or what do you guys think? Is this a lack of material? Can someone win?
What? Yes.
How can someone win?
They look win if she gets the pawn to the other side of the board.
Good job. If the pawn reaches the other side of the board, what happens? What's that called? Does the pawn get a piece? Is that how it works?
No, it transforms into a
Like an Autobot? Like, it is called pawn promotion. Can you guys say pawn promotion?
pawn promotion.
Pawns are the tiniest, wimpiest little pieces. They can't even go backwards, but they're rewarded if they get to the other side. They get to promote into any piece they want, except they cannot transform into a pawn. You can't stay the same. And what's the other piece you can't turn into? King. But you can transform into a major piece, and you could win the game.
Do I get a candy?
What did you do to deserve it? He's getting a candy because he delivered something for me. You know what? He has a UCLA Bruins hat on. Go get a candy. Hey, Davis, one for him. All right, we are at Fremont. It is the end of chess. We are done. I'm tired. This is Thursday, so in a couple weeks, we're gonna have 4 schools happening on Thursday. Fremont, which is this school, Towers Elementary in Torrance, Arlington Elementary in Torrance, and Seaside Elementary in Torrance. So it's gonna be a busy time. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow at Victor, or maybe Hickory, I'm not sure. I'm out.